Tailgating with BMA, and nutritionist Ann Dunaway is here to show us how to put a healthy spin on your pregame festivities. Good morning, Ann. How are you?
Good morning. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you for coming in. We like the spread. This would be great, you know, before and after a game.
Absolutely. Huh? We need to have more fruits and veggies on our table,
yes.
and so because Americans don't eat enough fruits and vegetables. CDC recently released a report that says only 33% of Americans are eating enough fruit, and only 26% are eating enough vegetables. So here's a way for us to do it and get more on the table. And also you can have fun with your fruits and vegetables. They're so colorful. As a dietitian, I always recommend people eat as many colors as they can. So have fun with it. Play up your team colors. Here we've got a lot of red and black on the table. And of course, you know, you want to be drinking water throughout the day. So we threw in some raspberries and blackberries into our water.
Yummy, yeah.
Get a little extra flavor, make it a little more fun to drink throughout the day. But then also think about the different ways you can incorporate into your food.
Because this is a salsa, and instead of tomatoes, you have watermelon.
Exactly. This is a watermelon salsa. It's wonderful. It's got a little bit of jalapeno in it, so you've got the sweet and spicy thing going on.
Very refreshing.
So it's, yes, very, very refreshing. It's
now, tell us about this, a black bean. This is what, just a bean dip?
Yes, a black-eyed pea dip.
Okay, black-eyed pea.
Actually, and so we've got a lot of fiber and protein, and again, more ways to get it in. And I like it with the Tostito scoops and the Frito scoops because it's a healthy way to get more of those vegetables in.
Okay, what do we have in the middle here?
This is a garden fresh quinoa salad. So I've got a lot of different vegetables in it. I kind of just made it as colorful, just threw a bunch of different ones in, with a little olive oil and lemon juice to top it off, and some basil and mint.
And always some finger food is great. So instead of, you know, all chips, you can have some veggies here like cucumbers and carrots, tomatoes.
Exactly. I always like to have a dip that requires some vegetables to dip it in. So we've got hummus, and again, we've kind of played it up with our red and black in the center, and then a variety of vegetables to dip into it because it just is it's so delicious that way.
Yeah, and top it off with some dessert. Do we have yogurt in the middle of it?
We do. It is actually a Greek yogurt mixed with some honey and vanilla, and it's a walnut graham cracker crust, and then topped with some fruit.
Very, very nice.
And a good size portion that, you know, satisfies that sweet craving, but still won't hurt our waistlines.
Absolutely. Very nice. And you know what? We're going to have these recipes online because Ann's going to have them on our website, and we're putting a link on the BMA page, of course, at cbsatlanta.com. And thank you so much. And you're coming back in the next hour with more great tailgating ideas?
Yes, absolutely.
Perfect. We're going to have you set for game day for sure.